This discussion is on electrical current. Page 1 of your notes, Roman numerals 3 and 4, electrical current and electric current is what we'll be covering today. Slide number 25. Electrical current is the flow of charge, either as electrons or ions through matter. Electrons have a negative charge. In materials that are able to conduct electricity, electrons are free-flowing. Ions are molecules with a charge. Ions are able to pass through a charge through matter. If you look at the image here, you'll see on this diagram here, it says electrical flow, and we see the little electrons with the arrows showing that they're moving from the negative side on the left to the positive side on the right. Keep in mind, in the atom, the electrons are on the outside of the atom. The yellow and red are protons and neutrons, which are in the nucleus in the middle of the atom. Once again, not drawn to scale here, as that nucleus is very, very, very tiny, very dense in the center of the atom. But the electrons are on the outside. So they're the ones that are able to interact with the world, not the ones that are on the inside. And with electricity, electrical current is the flow of charge. So as these electrons take, for example, in a copper wire, as electricity flows through that copper wire, electrons move through that copper wire. And they move from the negative to the positive when there's a push. There's got to be some kind of push, like a voltage that's pushing those electrons to flow. Slide 26. Current is the rate of flow of charge. When we say the rate, we're talking about how much charge is flowing past a point at a given moment in time. So how many electrons are going to flow past a point in that wire in a second or a minute or an hour or a month? So electrical current is the rate of the flow of charge. Amperes. Listen to me pronounce that one more time. Amperes. Amperes. Amperes is the measure of the flow of electrical charge past a point per second. Now, often we shorten the word amperes to amps. And the symbol for an ampere is the capital letter A. However, in equations, the symbol for current, not the symbol for amperes, but the symbol for current is the capital letter I. Now, understand that amperes is a measurement of current, much like meters is a measurement of length. But there's other measurements of length, such as feet or miles. So just as meters is one type of measurement for length, amperes is one type of measurement of current. And it is the System International or the metric system version that we use. And as it's defined here, it's the measurement of the flow of electrical charge past a point per second.